الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
Hi, today we will make an NTP clock with Autosync Prayer Time. The main tool needed is an ESP32 connected to Wi-Fi. Want to know how to make this clock? Follow me in making it. In this section, you have to connect pins A to G to form a one-segment output. You can also use a 7-segment display consisting of 6 digits in one device. When this clock is started, it will automatically connect to the NTP server and automatically retrieve the local prayer time information. But you can still set your own time and date using the available mode button.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله